Jatend riwruok motis ni Supreme Council of Kenya Muslim SUPKEM County Garissa donjone jagoro ma ndiko riwruoge kuom jiwo ywaruok e kind jotelo e riwruogno bang' jagoro no golo barua mawacho ni Yusuf Abdulrahman Nzibo pod en jakom mar riwruogno. Jakon jagoro ma SUPKEM County Garissa Dego Himan wacho ni Nzibo ne owito ka higa mag 2017 gi riwruok mar National Governing Council kano cholo wacho ni doho mar kwedo ng'eto makamano, kata kamano ne ng'ur ne owit oko higa mag 2023. Jotelo go dwaro ni Attorney General Justin Muturi odonje wachno.
In 2017, SUPKEM NGC suspended the chairman, Yusuf Nzibo. Mr. Yusuf Nzibo went to court to challenge the decision of NGC. Since Mr. Yusuf Nzibo went to the court, the Registrar of Society declines to update the changes in the leadership as approved by the NGC, where Hassan Olenado was confirmed as the chairman, citing the court case. In 2023, the court cases were dismissed, and the registrar confirmed the team led by Hassan Olenado as the correct leadership of SUPKEM through a letter SOC 10997. In September 2023, without any reasons, the registrar changed again the files in her office, making reference to Yusuf Nzibo as the chairman. SUPKEM went to court to challenge her action, and an order was issued restraining the registrar of interfering with the leadership of the organization.
Hii ni mambo ya kugonganisha na kuleta vetina, uhasama na chuki baina Waislamu, na hiyo haivai katika Waislamu, na hasa ofisi kuu ambaye Wakenya wote milioni 50 wanaamini, ambaye ni ofisi ya Registrar of Society of Kenya. Na hiyo ni dhulma kwa inji, ni dhulma kwa viongozi vya dini, ni dhulma Waislamu kote nchini.
Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto chako